For today's show, we will be sharing how the unprecedented rolling blackouts have impacted the Manhattan community, and later, what kind of construction has been changing the face of Aggieville. But first, an update on how the coronavirus vaccine distribution is gaining traction in Manhattan.
With the COVID-19 vaccine rolling out across the world, many are waiting for their turn. Manhattan resident Scott Townsend is one of the select people within Riley County to finally have his turn.
Well, we've been waiting almost a year, and we haven't been anywhere or done anything, so it's going to be kind of nice.
Townsend, along with other members of Riley County that are 65 and older, are part of Phase 2 of Kansas's vaccine rollout plan. Riley County is attempting to vaccinate some 3,000 people per week during Phase 2, but the transition into Phase 3 could still be at least a month away.
It really depends on when Phase 2 ends, and that is dependent on how many doses we get from the state. We do get a shipment every week, but we're never certain on how many we'll be getting.
I'm outside Potterf Hall at Seco Park in Manhattan, one of the main vaccination stations in Riley County, where it is their goal to vaccinate 800 people each day that they're open. While we still may be a ways away from returning to normalcy, these people are doing their part so that one day, these can come off. One group also being vaccinated throughout Phase 2 are teachers, as USD 383 has been offering their teachers and staff the vaccine if they want it.
Right now it is their choice. It's totally up to them. It is not a requirement to get the vaccine to be employed by USD 383.
Andrea Fields, a teacher at Woodrow Wilson Elementary School, says that getting the vaccine is going to bring her peace.
The fact that if I get it, then I can go see my mom and not worry, and I can go see my in-laws. But also the kids, I can hug them.
For Townsend, he hopes that others will get the vaccine like him.
You know, the best scientists in the world's working on this. Not to get it, I think, is just irresponsible.
In Manhattan, I'm Cameron Bradley, Channel 8 News.
For more information on the vaccine, as well as how you can sign up to receive the vaccine, visit rileycountykansas.gov.